Hello everyone, my name is Giang. Today I read book Dawn's Hiccups. I read. But first we need a phonics word and sting word. Phonics words has a beautiful Dawn's lemon, cheese, down, music, sound, comfort, ears, nevers, sight, compassion, eater, nurse, spry, crown, finger, put, television, drawn, here, scare, and water. And we have a sting word is has, mother, still, and have, no, stuck, but, her, of, the, cat, hiccups, upstand, drink, I, on, will, glass, in, place, yard, gives, in, sing, go, it, sings, happy, it, song. Now I'm ready for my says. I read book. Don the other has a competence. He would well as she will sings on television. Hey, hey, hey. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have a hiccup. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Spry! Hip, hip! But Dawn still has a hiccup. Put a finger on your ears. Hip! But Dawn still has a hiccup. Stick on a line of lemon. Hip! But Dawn has a hiccups. The nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccup go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful and cross-sounded. It's beautiful and cross-sounded. Now it's time to go now.